So when you throw a ball up into the air, it doesn't carry on forever into space. It slows down, stops for a brief moment, and then falls back down to the earth, pulled by the force of gravity. Now we experience gravity every day, and it occurs when an extremely large object, such as the earth, pulls another much smaller object towards it, such as you and me. But at the same time, that small object pulls back, meaning that my mass is currently pulling the earth towards me. However, the effect of this force is extremely small. It's not just on Earth that we see gravity though. The moon is pulled around the Earth by gravity, our Earth is pulled around the Sun by gravity, our Sun is pulled around the Milky Way by gravity, and even our Milky Way is being pulled by gravity towards a huge collision with the Andromeda Galaxy. Don't worry though, because that collision isn't due to happen for another 3.5 billion years. So next time you throw a ball up into the air, give a nod to gravity. It's only the force that holds the universe together. I mean, apart from dark matter, string theory, inertia, Newton's laws...